play, press 4.
We never hope to die, living in a lie. When you look up to the sky, all these images in your mind, you're just searching for some truth and a piece of life. A little warm feeling and a lot of insight. We never hope to die, living in a lie. When you look up to the sky, all these images in your mind, you're just searching for some truth and a piece of life. A little warm feeling and a lot of insight. Word of mom, since I was born, I've been out of control. I know I should apologize, it never gets me anywhere. Though been reading all these scriptures, looking for the answers. I talk to God before I go to sleep, and yes, it really works. What's the only thing that calms my heart when it hurts? I've been living like a cold and makes me act like a jerk. Sometimes I wish I could take it all away, but I'm not the type of person to go out that way. We never hope to die, living in a lie. When you look up to the sky, all these images in your mind, you're just searching for some truth and a piece of life. A little warm feeling and a lot of insight. We never hope to die, living in a lie. When you look up to the sky, all these images in your mind, you're just searching for some truth and a piece of life. A little warm feeling and a lot of insight. A little inside.
Stupid bugging for that shit, bro. What was you thinking,
Man, I had that shit on lock,
what
bro.
you think you was gonna accomplish with that, bro?
Man,
Like,
9 times
straight
out
up,
of 10,
like,
9 times out of 10, I usually get the bid with that. You know what I'm saying? Like, it wasn't even
whatever,
nothing.
man. You had me busting, bro. That was hilarious, man. Stupid.
Man, whatever, bro. Fuck you,
Whatever,
dog.
man. Let's drop it down for the end of this album, though, man. We only got a couple songs to go, so let's give them something. Like that bitch shut the door on you, bro. That shit was hilarious.
Man,
She slammed the motherfucking door on you, bro, just like that fridge. She shut the door.
But when once more she whispers, shut the door.